Hello, investors. You probably know a company called Rivian, which is known for their electric vehicles. But did you know if you click on this tab right here and you go down to fleet, there's something called Fleet Solutions, and they're also known for these electric vehicle trucks that's responsible for transporting things. If we scroll down, you might be a little bit more familiar and wonder, is there a familiar logo that could be placed on this truck? Well, if I click on this tab over here, I did a Google search for you folks. It's an Amazon Rivian truck. And for those of you who don't know, Amazon is actually a big shareholder of Rivian. Let me show you. If I go to one of my favorite tools right here, it's called Guru Focus, and I scroll down to the ownership tab, we could see that, well, Amazon.com, as of 2024, September 30th, they own 15.71% of the company called Rivian. So they have a big interest in that, and I figured, well, that'd be great for an analysis that we could do on Rivian stock today. So let's do an analysis. What I have right here on the screen is a quick chart of it. Let's do the technical analysis, and then I'll run through some of the quick fundamentals right here. So from a technical analysis perspective, we can see that in the last trading session, just on Friday alone, right? Today is Sunday, and that was Friday. It traded upwards of 24.45%. It went up a lot in just one day. Probably been a catalyst news, something happened there worth digging into, but this stock is starting to move on a daily time frame. If we zoom out to get a little bit more perspective onto the weekly right here, well, we can see that this stock has done nothing but decline since the IPO over here, right? So it's only been declining, but that's usually the case for an IPO that's a little bit too overpriced or extended. So what's the valuation of this company here today? Let's do a snapshot of the fundamentals and see what we know about this company. You can see right off the bat, the market cap is a $21 billion company. So, okay, that's pretty big. I mean, I'm not surprised for a vehicle company. For a $21 billion company, it's doing about $4.55 billion in sales. That's how many trucks or vehicles they're selling altogether. In terms of income, what do they take home? Well, it's not profitable. They're losing about $5.5 billion every year, or at least in the last year right here. There is about almost 17,000 in terms of employees or human capital, and they do have debt, of course, for a company of this size. From a multiplier perspective, they're trading at a 4.6 times price to sales ratio, but there is no PE ratio. Again, it's not profitable, but that's expected for sort of like this venture stage or a late stage venture stage company, like an electric vehicle like Rivian here. So investors are betting on something that is not fully cash flow, fundamental, deep value ready just yet. But this is just another lesson out there in the stock market that you can see that, well, sometimes a stock can run because investors are interested in it more so than the fundamentals. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, folks. Let me know what you think.